Okay, so I just prepared to do a Jelly Bee Shopkin present, and I have my red paper, and I colored up all these colorful jelly beans. Well, actually, it looks like it's okay, but anyways, yeah. The only thing is, it turns out that the image I was using is not the correct image. So what I was doing was preparing for this one. I colored all these jelly beans, I got red paper and everything prepared for this image. And that's not even the real image, so that really kind of frustrates me. But I mean, if you wanted to do this one, the material you would need is what you just saw, which is red wrapping paper, and then just to color some jelly beans like that. But apparently that's not true, or that's not a real character. So my choices are going to be these two. So, since I already have blue wrapping paper, I'm going to use this one, fortunately, because I'm still kind of like irritated, because I really wanted to do this. I thought it was really colorful and pretty, and I thought it was going to be cute, but I don't want to make something that's not really existing. So, instead, we're going to forget all about wasting my time on those jelly beans, and we're just going to go ahead and color, or not color, we're going to just go ahead and wrap up my present blue. And then I'm just going to put some pink wrapping paper, because I have pink and blue wrapping paper. And I'm going to just go ahead right now, wrap my present completely blue, and then we'll move on to the next steps. And in case you were wondering what present I'm going to wrap, it's not Shopkins, it's an LPS. She said she didn't want everything to be Shopkins, but she did want some LPS, so I just went ahead and got this. And it's kind of a square. I think it'll be okay for the jelly bean shape. It's not an exact square because it kind of has a, I don't know, diagonal side to it. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up really quick, and it's going to be completely blue. Alright, so I went ahead and wrapped it up, and I don't know if you can see, but with a pencil, I went ahead and kind of drew or sketched a mouth and nose and eyes and jelly and a couple of jelly beans. So next I'm going to get a marker, a blue marker, to outline everything, and the eyes I will use a black marker. Alright, so I went ahead and I used markers, the blue, yellow, pink, black, and that's it. So I drew with a pencil, went over it with the markers. I thought it was better just to go ahead and draw the hands and everything. Usually I would cut the hands out with the same type of wrapping paper and then paste it, but it's a lot easier and faster just to do it this way. It's not perfect. My jelly words are not, the letters are not perfect, but if you're a perfectionist, you can always just print out the image and then just cut and paste onto the paper. I just kind of freehand it, so that's how mine came out. The last step is the blue tops and the feet. So what we need to do is get blue paper, a darker shade of blue, to put on the ruffled top part and bottom and the feet. So if you have construction paper or darker wrapping paper, which I think I have the darker blue wrapping paper, other than that, any other thing that you can use that's a darker shade of blue, even if it's just using a marker, will work, and then you can just like use a paper and color it with marker. Alright, so I actually ran out of the dark blue wrapping paper. I just found some construction paper, cut out my shapes, and I traced it with a blue marker. So I'm just going to put it on the ends. I'm just going to, you can either double side tape it or you can glue it. I like to use Mod Podge, so I'm just going to do that really quick, and then we'll see how it looks when it's completely finished. And that's what it looks like completely finished. I think it would look a lot better if I had dark blue wrapping paper for the top and bottom and the feet, but gotta do what you have, or work with what you have, so this is the way it looks. Not totally horrible, but oh well.